Hey, what's going on, crew? Hopefully you guys are chilling right now. Hopefully you're chilling, having a good day. Hopefully your day is great. Do me a quick favor, hit the like and the subscribe button on your way in. I greatly appreciate that for you taking care of that. We're gonna take a look at the OnePlus Buds Z, right? These are the OnePlus Buds Z. We're gonna unbox them. We're gonna take a look at them for the first time. I have like the packaging right here. So I heard a lot of good things about these earbuds, right? These are gonna be really cool for a budget, and they're gonna be cool for OnePlus users who are interested in the audio department of Bluetooth headsets. So these are gonna have bass boost. They're gonna have 24 hours of battery, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design, and seamless connection. So let's go ahead and take a look at the OnePlus Buds Z. Alright guys, so this is the OnePlus Z Buds, the white ones, the OnePlus Buds Z, and they're in the white color. They also do come with this thing that you could put around your neck, I guess, to keep them on your neck or whatever, if you want to keep them loose around your neck. So this is the unboxing, what it would look like when you first get them open, and you're gonna see right here that it does say that they're white. I remember reading that if you put these on the charger for like 10 minutes, you get 3 hours, which is something that's really crazy. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And here we're greeted with the OnePlus Buds right here themselves. So I do have my OnePlus N10 right here, 5G. So we're gonna compare these along with the Buds OnePlus. We're gonna pair these to my OnePlus device, and then we're also going to test out the microphones, sound quality, right? We're gonna test out everything with these guys. So you can see that they have that opening. Wow, look. When you open up the OnePlus Buds, you get that connection directly on your phone. So let's hit connect. It does say that they're gonna connect directly to the phone once you open that. So I think that's pretty crazy. It gives you that animation. It said device is connected already. Are you kidding me? So it's that easy with these things. And then let's just go ahead and take a look at these things. So basically these are the shapes of them. And you can see right here, they have that nice little stem that you could use with the ear tips as well for a nice solid fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my ears and let you guys know how they fit and everything like that. So this is the left one, this is the right one, this is the case, and it says that they're already connected. So let's put them back in here, and let's see what else comes in the box as well. So inside the box you are greeted with more information. We also do get a packet right here with the Buds Z, the Let's Get Started guide, also the safety and warranty guide as well. So that's pretty cool. And then you also do get your short Type-C cord, right? You can't forget that with the highlighted accents on it. And then that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and test these guys out real. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano, and right now I'm talking directly through the OnePlus Buds Z microphones. So let me know how the microphones sound when I'm talking through them. And obviously there's not that much background noise around me, but obviously this is how it would sound if I was in my office on a regular day without any, interference from outside sources. But I could definitely say that the audio and the fit was really good, especially the intuitive touch controls as well. When you take the earbud out, it pauses, and when you put it back in, it continues to play the music. Okay guys, so I've been charging these OnePlus earbuds for about 10 minutes now, and it says that when you charge them for 10 minutes, you can get 3 hours of listening. Also, you can see right here, I downloaded the app, and the app will give you the percentage of where the buds are right here. So you can see I have the left and the right one is showing the percentage, and then it's showing the percentage for the case, right? So that's pretty cool, because all you have to do is go to the Play Store and then just type OnePlus Buds right here, and then that comes up, and then you can allocate what buttons you want to be which, it says, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to It says you also can get in-ear detection with these things as well. So I think that's pretty cool that they offer so many cool features, including that feature when you lift them out of the case, you'll be able to see the percentage on them. So if I time out my phone and then like I hit my phone like real quick to get like the lift to wake, it will show me that percentage. Once they're right here, you can see it's showing me the percentage right now, the accurate percentage of the battery and everything like that. So I do have a little bit of juice on these, so I kind of want to go through and test these out. But you can see that it did say that I updated the Buds OnePlus app on here, so I think that's pretty cool as well. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna open up the case and I'm gonna listen to some music right now. I'm gonna put these in my ear and let you guys know how it sounds. So the OnePlus Buds Z in white are pretty cool. They have that take them out of your ear feature where when you take them out, it pauses. But 1 click doesn't do anything. 2 clicks switches the music forward. 3 clicks switches it backward. And then that's pretty much it. You don't get volume controls with these. I wasn't able to activate the Google Assistant. If you were able to activate the Google Assistant with these, let me know down below, but I wasn't able to activate the Google Assistant. They also have the ear detection. When you take them out of your ear, you get that automatic pause, which I do like. Really cool. I do like the fact that they do offer that thing where you can see the battery percentage with the OnePlus Buds app as well. So that's something that's really cool as well. I also do like the fact that you could get 3 hours with 10 minutes charge. Just by charging them for 10 minutes, you get that quick charge in 3 hours, and 10 minutes, you get 3 hours, which is really cool. I also do like the snug ear fit, and the volume gets really loud. When you put them back in your ear, the music automatically starts playing. I think that's something that's really cool as well about these earbuds. So you could take them out and they will continue to play. Take them back, put them out, it'll stop, put them back in, it'll continue automatically. So I think that's really intuitive with these. They don't have like, you know, like the option where you can change the volume or get Google Assistant or anything like that. But one of the things that's pretty cool about these earbuds is that with the case, it's got this button on it. So if you hit that for 10 seconds, it'll actually pair it to the device that it was last paired with automatically. If you hold it for 5 seconds or 3 seconds or something like that, you could pair it to a new device all together. So I think that's pretty cool that it has that button there so you can pair it and everything like that. But these are really good. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's kind of weird how they don't have a pause button on the bud itself, but that's pretty cool that they do have that in-ear detection, so when you take them out, you can still finish conversations and stuff like that. And then when you put the other bud in the case, you can see right here that it's charging. To continue for it to play, I guess you would have to actually go ahead and tap the phone. It wouldn't let you, unless you take it out here, it'll stop and then you can put it out. So it still gives you that single ear detection with one ear in as well. So that's really intuitive. But I like these OnePlus Buds. These are just my first impressions, initial thoughts, as far as just taking a look at them. They sound really good. The volume sounds really good. The instruments sound really good. I'm listening to some R&B right now, and they pair up. I really like how when you pair them up, it gives you that pop-up option, kind of like how the Apple phones do it. So it's really intuitive with the OnePlus devices. So I'm using my OnePlus N10 5G right here, and I'm still able to talk and hear the music at the same time. So I just took it out of my ear, and okay, the second time it registered the pause. So I really like that feature, the fact that you could take them out and get that pause. Switching the song is pretty easy. 2 clicks, you get the double tap. 3 clicks is back again. So really good sound with these. I'm listening to a lot of different songs and the instruments sound really good on these. But this is just my initial thoughts and impressions right now. But I really do like how you get to know, just by looking at your phone, how much battery is left with the OnePlus Buds app. But these are pretty cool. These have a nice style, and That's definitely like the passive noise cancellation on these, right? The bass is there, the highs, the lows are really good as well. I'm gonna let you guys hear the microphone so you could be a judge for yourselves. But let me know in the comment section what you think about the OnePlus Z Buds right now. I definitely think these are pretty cool for the price and also for the value and the money. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section, do a follow-up video after a few weeks with these and maybe compare them to some other earbuds as well. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys did find anything out of this video. Hopefully you guys are chilling right now and having a great day. But I'm gonna meet you in the comment section right now, so show your support and appreciation by hitting the like button, and I'm gonna get right back with you. Later, crew. Peace.